Welcome to Max online class. Fifth sum. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are at subdivision 1 minus 9 comma minus 2 minus 8 comma minus 4 2 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 3. Here 4 vertices are given to you. We want to find the area of a quadrilateral. First of all, you have to uh, plot all the points in a graph. For that, draw horizontal and vertical line and then write the numbers on the horizontal and vertical line and then plot the points. Plot the 4 points. First point is minus 9 comma minus 2, second one is minus 8 comma minus 4, 1 comma minus 3, 2 comma 2. Plot all the points and join all the points. Afterwards, in the third quadrant, this is first quadrant, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. In the third quadrant you have to take the vertex A. Third quadrant you have to take the vertex A. In quadrilateral, in third quadrant you have to take the vertex A. A, B, C, D, counterclockwise direction. A, B, C, D. So let the vertices A is equal to minus 9 comma minus 2, B minus 8 comma minus 4, C 1 comma minus 3 and D 2 comma 2. Then find the area of a quadrilateral. First you have to write the formula. Area of a quadrilateral is half into x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 x1 y1. First vertex is x1 y1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. Just to substitute the values in the formula. So half into minus 9 minus 2, minus 9 minus 2, minus 8 minus 4, minus 8 minus 4, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 9 minus 2. Just to substitute all the values in the formula. Then multiply half into, first multiply up to multiply, cross multiply, minus into minus, plus 9 fours are 36, 9 fours are 36, then minus into minus, plus 8 threes are 24, and then 1 into 2 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 36 plus 24 plus 2 minus 4. Then put minus sign. Afterwards multiply this direction. Minus into minus, plus 2 8s are 16, plus into minus minus, 1 into minus 4 minus 4, then 2 into minus 3 minus 6, minus 9 into 2 minus 18. Then add these three numbers and then subtract the fourth one. Half into 58 minus of minus 12. Here minus into minus, plus half into 58 plus 12. 58 plus 12, 70. Half into 70. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table. Then you have 35. So area of a quadrilateral is 35 square units. Subdivision 2, minus 9 comma 0, minus 8 comma 6, minus 1 comma minus 2 and minus 6 comma minus 3. Minus 9 comma 0, minus 8 comma 6, minus 1 comma minus 2 and minus 6 comma minus 3. Plot all these points in a graph. Minus 9 comma 0, minus 9 comma 0, It lies on the x-axis. Minus 8 comma 6. It is in the second quadrant. Minus 8 comma 6. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Third quadrant. Then minus 6 comma minus 3. It also lies in the third quadrant. Now join all the points. Here A is minus 9 comma 0. B counterclockwise direction. You should take A, B, C, D as counterclockwise direction. A, B, C, D. A minus 9 comma 0. B minus 6 comma minus 3. C minus 1 comma minus 2. D minus 8 comma 6. So let the vertices A minus 9 comma 0, B minus 6 comma minus 3, C minus 1 comma minus 2 and D minus 8 comma minus 6. Then first point as x1 y1, second one as x2 y2, third one as x3 y3 and fourth one as x4 y4. Write the formula. Area of a quadrilateral is equal to half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, x1 y1, which is equal to half into, substitute all the values in the formula. In the place of x1 y1 you have to write minus 9 comma 9 0 and minus 6 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 8 6 minus 9 0. Then multiply. Half into cross multiply up to down. Minus into minus plus, 9 3s are 27, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12, minus 1 into 6 minus 6, minus 8 into 0 0. Then you put minus sign, then this direction you multiply. 0 into 6 0, minus into minus plus, 3 into 1 3, minus into minus plus, 2 8s are 16, 6 into minus 9 minus 54. Half into, after simplification you will get 33 minus of 35, which is equal to half into 33 minus into minus plus 35. Half 33 plus 35 is 68. Cancel both sides by, cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table. Then you have 34 square units. So area of a quadrilateral is 34 square units. Exercise 5.2. Seventh sum. The line through the points minus 2 comma a and 9 comma 3 has slope minus 1 by 2. Find the value of a. The line through the points minus 2 comma a and 9 comma 3 has slope minus 1 by 2. Find the value of a. So the given points are minus 2 comma a and 9 comma 3. And the slope is minus 1 by 2. We know that a slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Substitute all the values in the formula. So you have slope is minus 1 by 2 equal to 3 minus a divided by 9 minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 minus a divided by 11. Cross multiply. So you have 2 into 3 minus a is equal to minus 11. Multiply the 2 inside the bracket. So you have 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 2a is equal to minus 11. Then you bring this 6 other side, it becomes negative. So minus 2a is equal to minus 11 minus 6. Minus 11 minus 6 is minus 17 equal to minus 2a. Then minus minus cancel, a is equal to, you bring this 2 other side, it comes under the division. So 17 by 2. So the value of a is 17 by 2. Sixth sum. If the 3 points 3 comma minus 1, a comma 3 and 1 comma minus 3 are collinear, find the value of a. Here the given 3 points are collinear, but you have to find the value of a. So the vertices are first vertices be A, first point be A, and the second point be B, and third point be C. A 3 comma minus 1, B 3 A comma 3, C 1 comma minus 3. Then find the slope. Slope is equal to, we know that y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here the 2 points are collinear. So for that you have to find any two slopes. Either slope of AB, BC, or BC, CA, or AB, AC. Find any two slopes, because given points are collinear. Collinear means you have to find two slopes, either AB and BC, or BC and CA, or AB and CA. Now I am going to find slope of AB and BC. Slope of AB is equal to, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. x1 y1, x2 y2. Substitute the values. So you have 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 divided by a minus 3, which is equal to 3 plus 1 means 4 divided by a minus 3. And then find slope of BC. Slope of BC is equal to, now this is x1 y1. x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Substitute the values. So minus 3 divided by 1 minus a. Minus 3 minus 6 divided by 1 minus a. Here minus is common, take outside. So you have minus into a minus 1. Minus into a minus 1. So minus cancel. So you have 6 divided by a minus 1. Here the given points are collinear. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is 4 divided by a minus 3. 4 divided by a minus 3. Slope of BC is 6 divided by a minus 1. Cross multiply. Then 4 into a minus 1. 4 into a minus 1 is equal to 6 into a minus 3. 4 into a minus 1 is equal to 6 into a minus 3. Multiply the 6 inside the bracket. So you have 6 into a, 6a, minus 6 into 3 is 18 is equal to 4 into a, 4a, minus 4 into 1, 4. Bring this 4a other side, it becomes negative. So 6a minus 4a is equal to, bring this minus 18 other side, it becomes positive. So minus 4 plus 18. Minus 4 plus 18 means 14. So 6a minus 2a means 2a. 2a is equal to 14. So a is equal to 7. So the value of a is equal to 7. Sixth sum. The hill in the form of a right triangle has its foot at 19,3. The inclination of the hill to the ground is 45 degree. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot and top. The hill in the form of a right triangle has its foot is 19,3. The inclination of the hill to the ground is 45 degree. Hill to the ground is 45 degree. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot and the top. Here m is equal to tan 45. First to find the slope. Slope is equal to m. Slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta. Here theta is equal to 45. So m is equal to 1. Tan 45 is 1. So m is equal to 1. Then equation of the hill joining the foot and the top is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus 1. Here one point and one slope is given. One point and slope is given. So point, you have to use slope point form. Slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. This is x1, y1. Substitute the values. So y minus, in the place of y1 you have to substitute 3, which is equal to, in the place of m substitute 1 into x minus 19. Multiply this one inside the bracket. So you have y minus 3 is equal to x minus 19. Then bring this y minus 3 other side. So it becomes x minus y plus 3 minus 19 is equal to 0. This equation becomes x minus y 3 minus 19 minus 16 is equal to 0. So the required equation is x minus y minus 16 is equal to 0. Exercise 5.4. Eighth sum. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A minus 4 comma 2 and B 6 comma minus 4. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A and B. Here C is the midpoint of AB and also CD is perpendicular to AB. First you find the slope of AB. Find the slope of AB. We know that slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Substitute the values. So minus 4 minus 2 divided by 6 minus of minus 4. Minus of minus 4 means plus 4, which is equal to minus 6 divided by 6 plus 4, 10. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 tables. So you have 3 minus 3 by 5. Then slope of the perpendicular line. Slope of the perpendicular line is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. M means slope. So minus 1 by minus 3 by 5. Cancel the numerator and denominator by minus sign and then take reciprocal. Then you will get 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Then find the midpoint of A and B. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute the values in the formula. So you have minus 4 plus 6 by 2 comma 2 minus 4 divided by 2. 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 2. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 tables. So you have 1 comma minus 1. Then equation of the perpendicular bisector is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1 y1. M is 5 by 3. Substitute the values. So y plus 1 is equal to m 5 by 3 into x minus 1. Cross multiply. So you have 3y plus 3 into y plus 1 is equal to 5 into x minus 1. 3 into y plus 1 is equal to 5 into x minus 1. Multiply 5 inside the bracket. So you have 5x minus 5, which is equal to multiply 3 inside the bracket. So you have 3y plus 3. You bring this two terms other side, it becomes negative. So 5x minus 3y minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this equation becomes 5x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the perpendicular bisector. Fourth sum. If the straight lines 12y is equal to minus p plus 3x plus 12, 12x minus 7y is equal to 16 or perpendicular, then find the p. Here the two straight lines are perpendicular. Two straight lines are perpendicular, that is given in the question, but you have to find the value of p. So what is the condition? The condition for a perpendicular line is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Product of the two slope is equal to minus 1. First let us consider the first equation. 12y is equal to minus p plus 3x plus 12. Bring this term to other side, it becomes a positive. So p plus 3x plus 12y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then slope of the first equation. Slope of the first equation, slope of the first equation, that is m1 is equal to minus a by b. A means coefficient of x, b means coefficient of y. That is here coefficient of x is minus p plus 3. Coefficient of x is p plus 3 divided by coefficient of y is 12. Then consider the second equation. 12x minus 7y is equal to 16. Then slope of the second equation, that is m2 is equal to minus a by b, which is equal to minus, here a is 12 and b is minus 7. Cancel the numerator and denominator by minus sign. So the remaining you have 12 by 7. Since the two lines are perpendicular, means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Here m1 is minus p plus 3 by 12 into m2 is 12 by 7 is equal to minus 1. 12 cancel, remaining Similarly, minus minus cancel. Remaining you have p plus 3 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. So p plus 3 is equal to 7. Then p is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 means 4. So p is equal to 4. So the value of p is 4.